Pour some warm water over the burnt-on spots on your induction cooktop. Take a dishwasher tablet and remove it from the wrapper. Now scrub the entire surface with it, focusing on the dirtiest areas. The tablet breaks down grease and softens dried-on grime really well. Finish by wiping everything off with a damp cloth. In just a minute, you can clean a burnt induction cooktop thoroughly without scratches or damage. Brew your coffee in a completely new way. This surprising method lets you experience a flavor you've never had before. Coffee is a daily ritual that boosts your energy and can lift your mood with its aroma alone. Traditional brewing has its fans, but grounds settling at the bottom often ruin the pleasure. That's why I'll show you a simple and brilliant trick that solves this problem. With it, your coffee tastes amazing and stays completely free of grounds. All you need is your favorite mug or cup. Then, grab a piece of paper towel and a rubber band. Place the paper over the top of the mug and gently press down the center to form a small pocket. Secure it around the rim with the rubber band. Pour ground coffee into the pocket, then slowly add hot water. The brew will filter through while the grounds remain on the paper's surface. Finally, just remove the paper and enjoy a rich, aromatic cup of coffee without any grounds. Try this method, and you'll rediscover coffee in a whole new way. In fall, a pot like this is an absolute essential. Let me show you how to make it. Start with 1 orange. Slice it thinly. Oranges are known for their many benefits, bringing vitamin C and antioxidants. Next, add an apple. Choose a sweeter variety if you can, and slice it as well. Now prepare a few sprigs of fresh rosemary. Its herbal, slightly pine-like aroma gives the whole mix depth and a unique character. Grab some cinnamon sticks too. They don't just boost the flavor, but also bring a pleasant warmth and the cozy spice note we all connect with fall. Take a pot and pour in a little more than half a quart of water. Add the sliced fruits along with a sprig of rosemary. Next, grate in a little nutmeg. Even a small amount gives the drink a bold, slightly sweet and nutty taste while enhancing the spiced flavor. Toss in a few star anise pods for an intense aroma that makes the brew even more special. Add another cinnamon stick as well to enrich the flavor and warmth. Stir everything together and let it simmer on low heat. Finally, add a few cloves and let it sit for about 3 minutes. You'll get a brew that smells amazing, warms you up, relaxes, and fills your home with the true spirit of fall. The combination of fruits and spices creates a result no store-bought drink can match. This syrup is true magic in a jar. It works faster than pharmacy products. It's my grandmother's recipe. It all starts with fresh onion. Grate 1 onion. The key is to extract as much juice as possible. Onion has strong antibacterial and antiviral properties. Add the onion juice to a jar. Grate a piece of ginger. Ginger further supports immunity, has a warming effect, and is anti-inflammatory. Next, add honey. The amount of honey should be equal to the amount of onion juice. This precise balance is crucial for the syrup's effectiveness. To complete the power of the mixture, add fresh lime juice. Lime juice is rich in vitamin C, which strengthens immunity, reduces inflammation, and supports digestion. Mix everything thoroughly. Store in a sealed jar in the fridge. When a cold is coming or when you simply need a boost of energy, take 2 teaspoons of syrup daily. This simple homemade syrup is a combination of nature and tradition. Support your body all year round. This coffee doesn't acidify the body, making it perfect for people with blood pressure issues. It doesn't cause nervousness, and its excess doesn't overload the liver. Unlike traditional coffee, it positively affects the digestive system. It may also help improve skin appearance and maintain balance in the body. The secret lies in the preparation method and the right additions. To make it, add 4 teaspoons of ground coffee to a pot. Add a pinch of caraway and the same amount of cinnamon and turmeric. Caraway aids digestion. Cinnamon adds flavor and helps maintain balance, while turmeric enhances the aroma. Finally, add a teaspoon of honey. Pour previously boiled water over it, using up to 1 liter for 4 teaspoons. Simmer the mixture over low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Then set aside until the grounds settle. Pour pour into cups and enjoy the exceptional taste. Once you try it, you'll never go back to traditional coffee. This coffee will amaze you with its flavor and effect. I learned this trick during a bartending course. When pouring a drink from a tall glass into a smaller one, the liquid often spills over the sides. To prevent that, just use a regular spoon. Place the spoon upside down on the edge of the glass and slowly pour the drink. The stream gently spreads across the spoon and flows straight into the center. No spills, no mess. Simple and effective. This is the most refreshing drink of the summer. Drop juicy watermelon chunks into a tall glass. Add a few fresh mint leaves along with pieces of lemon and lime. Gently muddle to release the juices. Add some ice cubes and finish with sparkling water for a fizzy touch. Stir, and it's ready. The perfect alcohol-free watermelon mojito, ideal for hot summer days. Just 1 glass a day makes a huge difference, and it's made with only a few simple ingredients. Pour water into a glass and add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Chia is rich in fiber, which keeps you full for a long time and gives the drink a thicker texture. Stir and let it sit for half an hour so the seeds can swell. Meanwhile, peel half a cucumber and cut it into small pieces. Cucumber hydrates, refreshes, and cleanses. Do the same with pineapple. It's naturally sweet, supports digestion, and adds lightness. The next ingredient is celery. It brings a refreshing note and blends perfectly in drinks. Cut it into smaller pieces. Add a small piece of ginger. It gives energy, warms the body, and adds a slightly spicy taste. Now put the cucumber, pineapple, juice from 1 lemon, celery, chia water, and ginger into a blender. Blend for about a minute until smooth and creamy. Pour into a glass and enjoy. This drink makes you feel light, refreshed, and full of energy. Cheers! 3 kitchen hacks you probably didn't know. Add a teaspoon of baking soda to your tomato sauce. Baking soda helps neutralize the intense acidity of tomatoes, making the sauce milder, smoother, and gentler on your stomach. It's a great way to make it taste better, even for those sensitive to acidic foods. Add a few drops of lemon juice to spinach. This simple trick not only brightens the flavor, but also helps your body absorb valuable nutrients from spinach, like iron. It's perfect for anyone wanting to get the most out of their veggies. When cooking red beans, add a bit of apple cider vinegar. Vinegar helps break down compounds that usually cause gas and discomfort after eating. It makes beans easier to digest. Just a few easy additions can make a big difference in everyday cooking. Let me share 3 kitchen tricks you probably didn't know. Each one is super simple, but surprisingly effective. First, if you place eggs in a bowl of water, you can quickly check their freshness. Fresh eggs will sink and lie flat on the bottom. The ones that float to the surface are spoiled and shouldn't be used. This method works every time. The second trick is about blueberries. Just drop them into water. The ripe and sweeter ones will sink, while the sour or underripe berries will float. It's an easy way to pick the tastiest ones. And if you have unripe avocados at home, place one in a Ziploc bag with a banana. Bananas release ethylene, a natural gas that speeds up the ripening process. Your avocado will soften and ripen within a day. No more waiting for days. These 3 simple hacks will make your life in the kitchen much easier.